All right, I'm going to show you what my review on this. So there are the round ones, the the rectangle ones, and the square ones. The square one has one big, medium, small, and then two smaller ones. There's an extra same size small one that you see right here. But it doesn't fit in there, so if you're looking for them to all fit, they don't. They each have an extra one that's the same size that doesn't fit. And you can see that comes out. That one's a little hard. And I have the big one with stuff in there. I'm gonna see if it'll spill or leak. Well, seems good to me. And these come off super easy, so be careful when you're grabbing them. Put back on. And the lids, everything's pretty good. So yeah, the only thing I would say is if you're looking for one that they all fit, they're not gonna all fit. They're just gonna fit the 3, and then they're gonna have the 1 extra. But overall, I give it like a 9 out of 10 because you're getting a really good deal. I've spent $23 on them, and I think they're absolutely worth more. So it's a good deal.
Gonna be reviewing a glass storage containers. I have some that are clean. They come in different sizes and shapes. And obviously here's the smaller of the square. They're stackable. They are glass, so you gotta be careful. With the lids that stack, so it makes it stacking in your cabinet really easy. Let's get them all figured out. So stacking. And then this one's been in the fridge with leftovers in it. And I wanted you to see how it suctions on there and keeps the food fresh when you open it. So, and they're real easy to take off. And then it just pops off and real easy to snap back on. So they're square, round, and a rectangular shape, but those are dirty right at the moment. But just wanted to give a review. I like the glass better than the plastic. They're easier to clean. They do stack really well in my cabinet, and I would highly recommend them.
All right, y'all. So love these. Like, if you're obviously watching this review, just go ahead and order these because, trust me, I've looked through all of them on Amazon. 24 piece, so of course that counts the, container and the lid to count that as a piece. But this is the best value that you're going to find on Amazon. FineDine, I'm definitely ordering more stuff from them. When I tell you this glass, like, I don't know how to describe it without it making it sound crazy, but you know how sometimes you get that glass and it's like that real kind of cheap, like, this stuff is like sturdy. Like, this is like good heavy glass. The lids snap on super easy. Literally do it with one hand if I need to. Bam. Like, I almost did it with like one grip. But love them. They're packaged very well. Nothing was broken or scratched or anything because, I mean, they literally put plastic on top of your lid. Like, let me see if I can pull this off. There's plastic on top of the lid. And then not only that, but I'm actually going to register this warranty. So make sure y'all register the warranty too. They give you a 5-year warranty. So I'm definitely going to register. But yeah, if you watching this, go ahead and order them. Like I said, best value you're going to get.
This is an awesome buy. Absolutely great buy. And I put some water in this one to test to see that it doesn't leak. Awesome. Not a drop. I'm loving these. Absolutely love these.
La fine del espacio, Adri, el toque va para Adri, con el último, la intentino para la zurda, chic, 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 directamente al arco y sin ángulo, sacará Bauman.
Está partido el Leverkusen, ahora ya es un equipo partido, por eso el encuentro se hace de ida y vuelta, en la desesperación en la que termina forzando este juego que ahora aparece con muchos espacios, hay huecos por todos lados, los defensores decís con mucha facilidad, y como no podés salir a cualquier
Finally received the glass set. It's very nice. And they nestle inside of each other, which I really like. And they also stack on top of each other, which is a space saver.